Hey lovers, you're welcome back to Lover's Bed, your go-to channel for intimate couples massage tips. My name is Faithy. Today we'll be talking about something very special, something you will be using to perform your massage on your partner. Without wasting any time, I will be teaching you on simple homemade items, massage items, things you'll be needing to perform the massage on your partner. Without wasting any time at all, let's dive right into it. The first on the list is DIY aromatherapy massage oil. So the next on the list is a warm towel compress. The next on the list is sugar scrub. The next one is the scented candle and soft music. Trust me, this would work. Like I always tell you, romance doesn't cost a thing. This little thing on the side works. So you would do well to let me know what you think, and you could also ask questions. Do well to like, subscribe, and share to your friends that might need this. See you next time on Lover's Bed. Thank you.